Hey chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Guys, look what I found at my Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is at a whole new level. It has this Jennifer's Garden Tropical Blend for smoothies. Okay Jennifer, I see you. She is high in vitamin C with 1 gram of protein. As far as the fruits for this tropical blend, it has papaya, banana, pineapple, and mango. So Jennifer has other products like strawberries, mango chunks, mixed berries and bananas, and also berry blends. I definitely have to try her other products. Jennifer also gave us 2 recipes on the back of the pack for a tropical delight parfait as well as a tropical blend smoothie, which I will be using today. For my ingredients, I have some plain Greek yogurt, some almond milk, and my tropical blend. I am emptying my tropical blend into a bowl to show you that these are real fruits that are frozen. This is a piece of papaya. Next I have 2 pieces of bananas. This one is a chunk of mango, and this other piece is a piece of pineapple. I'm using my Ninja blender to make my smoothie. I'm adding my frozen tropical fruits to my blender, 1 cup of crushed ice, half a cup of my Greek yogurt, and a 1/4 cup of my almond milk. I'm blending all my ingredients until they are all blended to form a smoothie. My smoothie is ready, but it has a frozen yogurt texture, so I added some additional almond milk and I continued to blend it until I was satisfied with the consistency of my smoothie. My smoothie is finally ready. It came out just the way that I like my smoothies. Look at that, y'all. Look how cool and refreshing my drink looks. I am so ready to taste it. So let's taste it together. Okay guys, time to taste the tropical blend smoothie. This Jennifer's Garden Tropical Blend smoothie is not bad at all. My smoothie is so refreshing and it makes me feel like I'm on the islands, relaxing on the beach. Jennifer girl, you did your thing. This is a heck of a bargain. $1 for a smoothie from the Dollar Tree? You can't beat that. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.